Hello, Andy, hobo traveler. How long has it been flooded? How many days has it been flooded?
2 days.
2 days? It's never stopped for like, I don't know, 2 days. I was getting really worried back here because, you know, normally it drains. Typical Philippine happiness. This guy is like waving and smiling in the middle of a rainstorm. Hey, well guys, I don't know what to say. I hope the rain stops. There's no electricity, right? Okay. Oh boy. Hello, this is Andy, hobo traveler in La Union. Up to there?
Hey, Andy! Where are you going?
Minda, what are you doing?
My house.
This is your house?
Yeah.
This is Minda. She works in my hotel. She comes over and cleans. This is your house?
Yeah. See? No sleep.
No
That's
sleep.
right,
Yeah. Okay. Hey, good luck, guys. Maybe I can get enough light here to come in here. I'm underneath the umbrella. He's got a, I don't know, wood cooker of some kind here.
Hot water.
Hot water?
Yeah.
Are you boiling the water to drink?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's good.
No water. And no
water.
No water?
Also muddy.
Muddy?
Noodles.
Muddy in kamuti.
What?
What happened?
I know, my shoes are...
Yeah.
My boots don't work anymore this deep. Okay guys, thank you.